Extending audio coverage in conference rooms shouldn't be riddled with complexities or be a drain on your budget. That's why we created the HP Poly Studio A2, a game-changing, plug-and-play solution that delivers exceptional audio quality, effortless installation, and seamless scalability for an IT-ready setup that will transform the way you approach audio installations in conference rooms. In this demo, we show how to install the Studio A2 audio solutions in a large room already equipped with a Poly Studio G62. We are in a training room that is about 30 by 30 feet, and the room is set up with a U-shaped table, which can be especially challenging for audio installations. With that, let's dive in. Connecting your Studio A2 audio solutions is incredibly simple. To set up your first Studio A2 table microphone, simply use the audio cable with Phoenix type connectors included in your box to connect directly to your Studio A2 audio bridge. This single cable delivers power, control, and connectivity to your microphone, ensuring your setup is smooth and clutter-free. For rooms where you need more than a single microphone, you have the option to seamlessly daisy chain up to 8 table microphones. For a no-drill installation, use the JST to JST cable included in your box. This cable is small, thin, and compliant, and renders a truly impeccable setup where only a single cable shows between microphones. If you opt for a through-table wiring, use the JST to Phoenix cable also included in the box. All cables run neatly underneath the table for a zero-cable visibility setup. To secure all the microphones in place, use the included magnetic mount. The mount easily adheres to the table and magnetically attaches the microphone for a stable and professional setup that prevents shifting during meetings. Regardless of which installation option you choose, you'll experience a hassle-free setup that delivers a flawless, impeccable installation that scales with simplicity. Once you have daisy chained your table microphones, you can connect the Studio A2 audio bridge to your Poly video system. The audio bridge connects over Poly StudioNet using a single and standard Ethernet cable. Once connected, it will automatically pair your Studio A2 audio solutions, completing your audio setup in seconds. And as for mounting your audio bridge, well, its clever design allows you to mount it anywhere in the room, or use the included mount to attach it directly to your existing Studio G62 mounting plate. It really is that simple.